STD-302Z is a 434 MHz embedded transceiver for reliable industrial remote control applications. Fairport, NY, USA, Selig Company, Inc. www.selig.com has introduced the STD-302Z 434 MHz narrow-band multi-channel transceiver, a half-duplex UHF radio module that is suitable for industrial remote control and telemetry applications operating in the 434 MHz band. The STD-302Z is designed with SAW filter and narrow-band filtering techniques to provide reliable data communication in industrial situations where interference rejection and practical distance range operation are required. Offering 10 mW of RF power from its PLL synthesized transmitter with programmable RF channels, the STD-302Z's double superheterodyne receiver sensitivity is specified down to -119 dBm. The STD-302Z has an operating temperature of -20 to 60 degC and provides excellent vibration and shock resistance for products that are mobile or subject to movement. Suited to feedback systems, industrial remote controls and telemetry, the STD-302Z complies with the European Category 1 EN 300-220 and RSSI received signal strength indication. Output is also provided. The RSSI voltage output corresponds to the received signal level. This voltage can be used for functions such as carrier sensed channel auto select and electric field strength monitoring. When the STD-302Z is powered on, data transmission and reception is possible 40 milliseconds after the frequency setting. Data is sent to the PLL compact 1.2 by 1.97 by 0.36 and lightweight 1 ounce. The STD-302Z's operating voltage is 3.0 to 5.5 volts, with internal circuitry operating at a regulated 2.8 volts. The TB-STD-302 evaluation board is also available, which simplifies trying out the STD-302Z module's performance, such as range and signal transmission integrity. Designed with a maximum RF output power of 10 mW, the STD-302Z is ideal for the remote control of industrial equipment or for industrial measurement systems. The STD-302Z is made by Circuit Design, a leading Japanese low-power radio product design and manufacturing company. For detailed specifications, free technical assistance, or additional information, please contact Selig 1-888-7SAELIG via email, info@selig.com, or by visiting www.selig.com. About Selig Company, Inc. Founded in 1988 in Rochester, New York, Selig is a North American distributor with a growing reputation for finding and sourcing remarkable, unique test and measurement and control products and components for use in a wide variety of industries. Products lines are continuously added from sources across the globe, and are offered at competitive prices, accompanied by full in-house technical support, exceptional customer service, and fast delivery. For full details of available product lines, please visit www.selig.com. Contact Alan Lown, President, Selig Company, Inc. Telephone 585-385-1750. Email info@selig.com.